is one of my first sons. I had to send my wife to Karina and was going to go and both of my status, but she had my phone the whole day. Let me tell you one thing. I can forgive you, I can do anything, but don't ever threaten me again. Which is one thing that I did not like it even 1%. I respect you, I love you, and I honor my promises. But do not threaten me.
Which promise?
And I'll say that I'll meet on Monday and I'm going to give you the man of the car and everything. I said so with my heart. And the Monday is just tomorrow. Wait and see if I won't give you. But if you treat me like a puppet or like a child, I will not take that lightly.
Okay.
Listen to me. I'm talking to you. You are a respectable person. And you know I played it on my own. You did not ask. It's me who played it. I was saying, you never played and it's my desire. And I will honor my desire. And I will do it tomorrow. But do not threaten me.
Okay. Threaten you, Paco, did you imagine?
No, you can't show to me. No, you can't show to me. What was that? Was that this one? That's what it last year Sunday, at the battle phone. This is the day that I'll be in prayer. I'll be praying for the Lord. I tell you, I'm saying, man. I want to go to school. You mustn't go to school tomorrow. I'll meet you in the morning. We'll go to school. Prospect. Okay, you come to the same place by 8 o'clock, same place. Will be there. 8 a.m. We're going to see I changed the venue.
Okay, let's play by my rules.
What are you?
Prophet Abdulmakai.
So what? Are you saying let's play by my rules?
It's so terrible. One, ndikutofika kushandiswa. One, andingavumbikurana nemunhu ndorara tisina kondomu wati munhu ungondisiya just like that. Treat her like an ordinary person. Ndichakuti kana ndati ine ndakuchitaura zvandokoda because ndaneta nekuramba ndichingonzwa mapromises, broken promises all and over. Ndichingonzi ndichadai, ndozodai. Hapana chiri kumbochange because right now zvinhu zvese zvofara kunge zvachange but hapana chiri kuchange.
So tisawana naye kukotimela
atiskusangana na 8 o'clock.
Sana kwe
ndikufunga ndofana manje.
No, nditeka kuna meeting na tsana.
Aiwa, meeting nani? Meeting izvo zvingachimbomira zvimboitwa zvandikuda izvo meeting ngazvimbomira ndimboitwa zvandikuda because ndaneta nekuramba ndichitambiswa.
Uridu?
Confidence dziyedzadzoka.
Ukubi?
Kumba.
Ngati mangwana na 8 o'clock ouya tosana kuna courtroom. We discussed this, we finished this tomorrow, we finalized everything. Or sana prospect na 10.
Ndandati ndikandimboenda toilet ndikudzoka ndichifona ndichitaura ndinokuda nguvayo.
Well, ndikudzoka time ndokwanisa kuita mangwana. Clear your schedule 7 a.m. right ku courtroom.
Ndimboenda toilet ndimbofunga.
But is 7 a.m. okay with you?
It's too early.
So 8 o'clock.
Tikumbotaura kuti tichiri kumboda kutaura nezvacho.
No, I want to give you the money you want.
Mari.
If 5,000.
Mari?
5,000.
Ah, yeah. Andidi Mari yacho ishoma.
Okay, I'll give you 10,000 Mangwana. Let's look back out, man.
Ndite 10,000.
What kind of much doctor?
Andishade shomota ndoda mari.
What am I?
Mari. Ndoda mari.
Let's 10,000 man.
Ishoma.
What am I?
Ndoda 100,000.
I think something is wrong with you. I think something is wrong with you. Hey, I think something is wrong with you. No, I'm serious. I think something is wrong with you. I think something is wrong. I think something is wrong with you. How can you claim such a man? For what reason?
Of what reason? One, my health status is compromised. One.
So if your health is compromised, how come you're extorting me 100,000? What wrong have I done? What wrong have I done? So all this time, this was that you're planning. How can you expect such a man, an amount of money from me? I don't give such money. Well, how would I give such money? I don't take any shit going up.
What's on a plan?
There's a agreement here perform to get a bit. Exactly. Mangwana, you come to court me at 8 o'clock. I'll give you the amount that I will have. I'll increase from 10,000. And I don't want to see you again in my life. I don't want you to call me again. I don't want to see you at prospect again. I don't want you to speak to me again. And I don't want to see you again in my life. I don't want you to call me again. I don't want to see you at prospect again. I don't want you to speak to me again. I'll give you that money. We sign down together. We agree. And I don't want to see you again. That's who threatened. What was this?
You're shutting me out.
What was this? What was this? How could you do this to me?
Out. Okay. It's fine. You no can so continue and the doctor and as a consequence say to one of the as a Gurundian, Mkurundian.
What Guru?
And there's on Kur as and is on Lake.
So you all this plan all this time?
Planned copy. You triggered.
Where is it coming from?
You triggered it.
Where is it coming from?
Okay. Chicho Kuninyakaneva.
Why did you change it from nowhere like this?
You changed me.
Why changed you?
You used me. You dumped me. Just like that for no apparent reason. And then you said, try to work it out on my own. Ndikarwara ndikaunda uchinyatsova ndozviri kuvazisa nekundondisa chingonzi you get there sometime one day you get there zvisingasviki.
Alright, let me tell you because in I'm going to talk to Antina. So I'm going to agree on a certain figure. So you are not going to
phone, Mari.
Okay, Mangwana, when I meet you, I'll give it 40,000. Then just have to balance every 50,000 years, over 50,000 years, that is okay.
Then once I'm shutting you out.
No, let me tell you the truth. I felt pain before in my life, but I've never been pushed. I've never been threatened like the way you did. I've never been put to the corner like the way you did. So Mangwana, like what you've done. Mangwana, I'll meet you by 8 a.m. Then I'll give you the 20,000. Then you can pay.
I know it's a good question. Can I repeat?
After that.
Because I've been repeating
Hey, what I've understood your heart. That's why I'm going to 8 o'clock. Hey, what? Okay, so you give me an account.
Account? But Marishon.
Eh?
Marishon.
That's why I'm just going to do the same one.
Antidi.
Eh?
Antidi.
So you want cash?
Antidi should be from Marishon.
So where cash?
Cash, either chill, and this clash of Sangan.
Oh, so there's some account, there's a cash.
There's some account. But
okay.
Marishon.
Then you have 50,000 one.
Mari?
That's what I mean. That total amount is 50,000.
I can't. Sure.
Come Come on.
Issue.
Come on. Why do you want to stretch me like that?
Wakandistretcha zvakapeva. Ende zvekunzwa kuti zita rangu riri kuzoti ratanishwa ranzi what and I won't mention about it. Iwo hauna zvinotaura kubasa nezvangu.
Ndichakutaura the simplest thing that you feel like it's simple.
Zvichibhutaurire.
Hauhandi uyasa kuti stokwenda chikoro ukonzeka nechikoro.
Ati ndikurizenda ndiani.
No, that I cannot see you anymore.
Izvo majeni andivoni.
Alright, it's okay. Listen to me. Okay, listen to me. I've made worse things in my life. I don't mind if you want to drag me to court, if you want to drag me to papers, you go tell us to come your pango. That I can grade to 50,000 years. If you want to drag me to court, if you want to do, you can go ahead. Or you will take my offer and go buy me, because I'll give you 50,000 years. Then what's the problem about? I cannot see you again. Why you've extorted money from me?
My peace, my happiness.
The simplest things. These are the simplest things. So why are you demanding the money? I'm not giving the money. Okay, so what I said, if I'm putting in the what to understand, I'll give you the 50,000, you give me a bank account. You don't know what I'm saying.
I don't know. But I can.
Take one money. And the ones I'm going to go. It's okay. Whatever you was planning to do, you can go ahead.
Okay, come online more.
Yeah?
That we happen online only.
Online?
WhatsApp back.
And you know what's happening? Mfunza wangu ulikuondesha ndokuti shinza rukuti zikupa kupiwa.
Zikupa pamoyo wa ukarabati.
Pamoyo wa ukarabati. And let us agree on one thing here. And let us conclude on it. I will find 50,000 this month. Listen to me. I'll find 50,000 this month. Just having 50,000 by next week. Or next week, but one. You make it 100,000. And then I look at what money. I don't want to know. Not do good one.
Okay, my plan is I stand.
Eh?
I stand.
Where would I get the 100,000?
I don't know. Man, I'm get a man from heaven. I don't know.
Get a man from heaven?
And this day. So what and this?
Yeah, I'm feeling the pain. No, I hear you. I'm feeling the pain. I hear you.
I'm sorry. Disturb ministry yangu andikwanisa kutaura newe andikwanisa kuita sei because you're going to disturb munhu paindokwanisa kutaura newe aikwanisa sei.
No, I hear you.
Kuda kumbotamba neni kuda kumbondirwadzisa ati handiti kumborwadzisana.
No, I'm sorry, I hear you.
Okay, you're sorry for what? Nekunditambisa.
I know for everything. And of course, what you understand, okay. One about bank account, one about time a bit. Don't get that on great.
Time a bit. Yeah.
10 a.m. You're going to show the marriage.
Okay, 10 a.m. Mangwan.
And this Sunday one about 10 a.m. By next week,
not next week. After Mangwan and the stretching up to my bank son of